Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale for noobs. We'll cover the fundamental aspects of the game, starting with your main goal, destroying the enemy King Tower. You'll learn about managing your elixir, which is your resource for deploying cards. We'll also touch upon the various card rarities, each offering distinct abilities to help you win battles. Get ready to dive into the arena. Now, let's talk about building your first effective deck. A balanced deck is key, so make sure you have cards for both attacking and defending your towers. Try to include a diverse range of troop types, like a strong tank, some area damage units, and perhaps an air targeting card. Keep your average elixir cost between 3 and 5 to maintain a good flow of cards during battle. This balance is crucial for early success. Once your deck is ready, it's time to hit the arena and master some basic battle tactics. Focus on defending your towers efficiently. Proper troop placement can make a huge difference. After a successful defense, launch a counterattack using your surviving troops to put pressure on your opponent. Don't forget your spells. They are powerful tools for clearing out groups of enemies or delivering direct damage to towers. Practice these moves to improve your gameplay. To truly advance your Clash Royale skills, focus on refining your troop placement. Even a single tile can change an outcome. Try to anticipate what your opponent might play next, allowing you to save elixir for the perfect counter. Joining a clan is also highly recommended. It provides a great community, allows you to request and trade cards, and lets you participate in fun clan wars, earning valuable rewards. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.